Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. In this hobby time video I would like to share with you the unboxing of the Games Workshop Kill Team, the Deathwatch Kill Team from the Space Marines series of miniatures. So this is one of the older boxes. They had some information, or maybe they will change them during the this or next year. They call this one Adeptus Astartes, so maybe for some legal terms or issues. But Adeptus Astartes are Space Marines, of course. This box you will probably come across when you are playing Kill Team, or it's one of the options for your Space Marines. But I try to build a little force of Deathwatch, and probably the most beautiful thing about the Deathwatch chapter is that if you are not really sure what chapter you want to pick, then you can go with the Deathwatch, because Deathwatch will include Battle Brothers from all the chapters. So this is a special elite force or elite army, elite heavy army, and I will not go deeply into the fluff. If you like, you can go and check them out. The informations are out there in the internet, lots of informations and nice videos about the Deathwatch. But basically they are commandos, they're battling the alien menace in the Warhammer 40k universe. Okay, so this box, or this set of 5 Battle Brothers, will cost you from a GW 22 British pounds or 13 euros if you are from Europe. I strongly suggest go and check around different third-party resellers. Like I bought this one from Triple Helix Wargaming. They are official reseller. That is also good to know, because obviously you have some rather not pleasant resellers out there also. Mostly they are selling recasts, so they will have not the official branded packaging, and they will be not sealed and so on. So go and check out the offerings from authorized dealers. They will always give you some kind of discount. At Triple Helix Wargaming, it is what I could find the highest discount, so it's around 25%. So that translates to like I mentioned, from GW 22 British pounds or 13 euros. From Triple Helix Wargaming, it did cost me 16 pounds and 50 pence, or 18.68, so under 17 euros. And the hobby is obviously expensive as it is, so let's open it up. And if you are into watches and guns, then please go and check out also my other content. Sorry about that unpleasant noise. Okay, so on the back side, as always, we have a nice heavy metal paint rendering or paint scheme. So these are hand painted by the heavy metal team. So this is their expression or interpretation how to paint the miniatures to a best possible standard. And if you are starting with Warhammer, or starting with yes, should I say, and we want to pick the Deathwatch, and then there is also a start collecting box set, which I will also at some point include here on my channel. Okay, so inside we have all the bases for all the characters. This is a older style manual, so it will have no color and no rendering. Here is what you will need: plastic glue, clippers, and a mold remover tool. These are excellent tools, I recommend them all. You can buy them directly from Games Workshop or your third-party resellers, or you can also go with the non-branded ones, but highly recommend them to have them when you are starting. I should probably make a video about that, what tools you need. Okay, so firstly we have all the breastplates, the backpacks, and the pauldrons. So here you see all the different loyalist chapters. So they are first founding, also some second founding, like flesh terrors, mortifactors. Okay, very nice. And then we have, you will get 5 helmeted and also a plethora of unhelmeted characters, because for some reason the Deathwatch like to use unhelmeted heads on the presentation. And obviously different chapters we have different facial designs, of course. Okay, so this is basically just how to put them together, their intended weapons and some stat lines, but these are probably outdated by now, as you can see. Deathwatch veterans, so the points count. Okay, so for 22 British pounds you have 2 sprues pegged to the rim. So here are all the pauldrons. They were made in 2016, so 1 year before the primaries came out. So this is fresh as can get from Games Workshop. Just keep in mind that they sell some miniatures they have in production for 20 years. Okay, so all the power weapons, all the flamers, pistols, and shields. These shields are beautiful. These are the arms, and here is the power maul. You can have 2 of them. And this is also a nice addition maybe for your parts box, because obviously you cannot use all these weapons here, but we'll let you some, and then you can use them on your standard marines, maybe, if you want to just make them more aggressive or more powerful, depends on your game style. And here's the Xenophase sword. So this is not human tech, of course. It was a little bit modified, but it's a very impressive weapon. Okay, so we have some 2 shotguns here. These parts are probably from the frag cannon. There are stalker pattern bolters here, and Infernus heavy bolter. Probably here it is. Yeah. Okay, so that was the Deathwatch Kill Team. So the 5-man squad. Like the yeah, they are veterans. So keep in mind when you are including them in your roster. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, so mostly gear, knife oriented, and of course here's the rendering of these 2 heavy weapons. Maybe I showed them at the start, but better to see them again. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.